How to close all opened apps on your iPhone. So this is a pretty simple process, and you can close all of the apps that you have running in the background in case your iPhone is having some issues. Maybe it's lagging or other stuff. Firstly, we will open all of the apps that we have running in the background, and we can do that by swiping from the bottom to the third of the screen, and you can then swipe to the right side with your finger. That is going to open all of the different applications that we have opened. So one more time, swipe up from the bottom and then swipe to the right side. But there's also another method that's maybe easier. You can swipe from the bottom of the screen to the top, and you have to do it fast. So one single swipe from the bottom to the top, and our background applications will open. In order to close the app completely, just repeat the process. So swipe from the bottom to the top until the app disappears from this screen. When it does disappear, that means that it's closed. You can do this with 2 fingers if you want to close 2 apps at once, and just repeat the steps until you close all of the applications from the background. Unfortunately, there isn't a Close All Apps button like you have on Android. So if you want to close every single app that's opened on your iPhone, you will have to close them manually, one by one. But you don't have to do this often, because the iOS software has very good memory management, so you can open as many applications as you want in the background. They will be frozen in the background, and when you reopen them after a certain period, they will continue to where you left off. If you close the apps frequently like this and reopen them, that can drain your battery quicker, because closing them completely and reopening them requires some processing power and performance. So don't close the apps unless you have some bugs or problems with them. But that's about it, everyone. That's how you can close all of the apps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.